In this video, we are going to see factors affecting India's climate. We already studied the common factors affecting the climate, that same thing: latitude, altitude, pressure of the wind. Then again, in the pressure of wind, different things we want to understand, jet streams and other things. These are the main things we are getting the influence of Indian climate condition. Not only these three, we know the coastal area differences, like that things are there. That is not discussing here. Here we are going to discuss major three things. Okay, first one, latitude. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of the country from the run of Kutch in the west to Mizoram in the east. When we studied the first chapter, we have seen that one. Tropic of Cancer, that is 23 and a half degree north line. It is passing through India, that is making India into two part, like that, south part and north part, like that. Almost in the middle it is coming. And what is the name of that line? That is known as the Tropic of Cancer. And what is the degree? 23 and a half degree north. And from where to where? From run of Kutch, that is in Gujarat, to Mizoram. There almost half of the country lying south of the Tropic of Cancer and belonging to tropical area, means which the South India we are coming to the near to the equator, so we are calling it tropical area. All the remaining areas north of the tropic lies in the subtropic area, means the part lies between the tropical equator to Tropic of Cancer. It is known as the tropical area. Then line from Tropic of Cancer to line of Tropic of Antarctica up to that area, it is known as subtropical area. So in our country itself, because of the position of India, we are having two types of climate. We will get two types of climate. One is the tropical climate and another one is subtropical climate. Therefore, India's climate has characterized of tropical as well as subtropical. So we are experiencing two types of climate here in India because of its position, and that is we are calling it tropical climate as well as the subtropical climate. Then next one, it is the altitude, and we have seen the height of the mountain or the hilly area or the land, how much height from the sea level. According to the climate it will change. Okay, let us see. India has mountains to north which has an average height about 6,000 meters. We know which mountain it is. It is the Himalayan hills. India has also a vast coastal area where the maximum elevation is about 30 meters. The coastal area, it is a very low level, and it is just 30 meters from sea level, and that is the average maximum height, it is that much. So the from that itself we can understand, we will get different types of climate again. The Himalayas prevents the cold winds from the Central Asia from entering the subcontinent. We already discussed when we said about the altitude, that part. When we discussed that part, we said that the cold wind, it is coming, and India may become means cold desert or hot desert because of that cold wind. But who is helping preventing that one? Himalayas. It is because of these mountains that this subcontinent experiencing comparatively mild winter as compared to the Central Asia. When we are moving to Tibet and other area, they are facing very high this winter season, but because of the Himalaya, it is protecting us, so we are facing only mild, like that. Then also it is going minus 45. We have seen already that one. Then next one, pressure and wind. The climate and associated weather conditions in India are governed by the following atmospheric condition. First one, the pressure and the surface wind, upper air circulation, and the western cyclone disturbances and the tropical cyclone. We have seen in the with this pandemic situation, those who was watching news every day, we might have seen that the low pressure area, it is forming in the Bay of Bengal. It is coming and hitting in Odisha or in Andhra, even going and attacking Kerala or parts of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, like that we have seen. All these things it is coming the last part, that is the western cyclone disturbances and tropical cyclones. So okay, let us see what it is. Then India lies in the region of north extremely winds, and these winds originated from the subtropical high pressure belt of the northern hemisphere. Are you remembering what you studied in 7th standard? What is the wind movement of the earth surface, wind movement from word to word, from word to word? We have studied one circle with the latitude, how it is, and what is the is it hot wind or cold wind, like that things we have studied. Okay, after this video we will make a small summary of that one, then you will get it some more. So we know the wind, it is originating from subtropical region. Where is subtropical region? Means in the North Indian side, and it is coming a high pressure belt of the northern hemisphere, because they are getting very less less sunlight when we are comparing to the tropical area. So where there is less heat, that area the air will be denser and heavier. So it is becoming more pressure, and it is moving to where there is low pressure area, and they blow southward, get deflected to the right due to the Coriolis forces, and the move towards the equator low pressure area. Generally these winds carry little moisture as they originate and blow over land. From the North India, which wind we are getting, that is bringing very less moisture content, less water content, because that area little bit dry area, and it is bringing very less water moisture. Therefore they bring little or no rain. That's why when we are thinking about the retreating monsoon, now what we are experiencing in Tamil Nadu, we are getting the retreating monsoon or second monsoon. That time we are getting very less rainfall when we are comparing with the advanced monsoon. That we will study what is advanced monsoon, what is retreating monsoon, because the wind, it is moving from south side to north side in the advanced monsoon from June to September, and after that it is coming back. It is coming back from the North India to South India. That time very few states they will get rainfall. Then hence India should have been an arid land, but it is not so. Even though because of this northern wind, we should get very less rainfall, or should become the arid, but we are not like that. Why it is that we are going to see? It is given in the box. Coriolis forces, an apparent force caused by the earth rotation. Coriolis force is responsible for deflecting the winds towards the right in the northern hemisphere and towards the left in the southern hemisphere. This also known as the Ferrel law. What is means when the wind is not directly, it is starting from the subtropical area and not directly coming to the equator area. It will move there is some if it is starting from the what we can say right side, it will blow to the left, and if it is starting from the left side, it will blow to the right side. That is the normal nature of the wind. Then the pressure and the wind conditions over India are unique. During winter, there is a high pressure area north of Himalayas. In the northern side of Himalaya, we can see very high pressure area, because very cold wind in that area, or cold situation. Cold dry wind blows from this region to low pressure area over the ocean to south, and it is from North India we are getting cold but dry wind in the winter season. When we are sitting here in Tamil Nadu, we are not experiencing that much these things, but if we are living in Maharashtra, we are really experiencing this cold wind, and we will get the skin scratches in our hand because of this North Indian wind. And In summer, the low pressure area develops over interior Asia as well as over the northwestern India, and this causes a complete reversal of the direction of the wind during summer, and air moves from the high pressure area over the southern the Indian Ocean in the southern extremely direction cross the equator. That wind which is starting in the summer season, again it is moving passing to above the equator area and turns right towards the low pressure area over the Indian subcontinent. These are known as the southwest monsoon wind. The southwest monsoon wind, that is really we are calling what it is, the wind, this wind only helping making the, what we can say, we are getting the monsoon rains because of these winds. These winds blow over the warm oceans, gather moisture and bringing widespread rainfall over the mainland of India. That's why month of June to September rainfall, we are maximum states we are getting rainfall. Even we got some rains in month of June to September. And this rotating monsoon, normally we are saying like that it is getting maximum rainfall advantage getting to Tamil Nadu. That also usually we are experiencing in coastal area. Then the upper air circulation in this region is dominated by the westerly flow, and important component of this flow is the jet streams. Then what is a jet stream? Jet stream, these are the narrow belt of high altitude above 12,000 meters westerly wind in the troposphere. Their speed varies from 110 km per hour in summers to about 184 kilometers per hour in winter. The number of the separate jet streams have been identified. The most constant and mild latitude and the subtropical jet streams. And because of the high area, and it is going through 12,000 meters above. And what is the average height of Himalayas? That is 6,000 meters, and double than that much heighted way it is moving. And what is the speed of the wind on that in the summer season? 110 kilometers per hour in summer, and in the winter 184 kilometers per hour. Then these jet streams are located approximately over 27.5 degree north latitude, where it is we are facing getting maximum 27 degree 27.5 degree north, means after the tropic of Cancer we are facing. Therefore they are known as the subtropical westerly jet streams. Which wind we are getting in jet streams? Which wind we are getting maximum? That is the subtropical westerly jet streams. Over India, these jet streams blows south of Himalaya, although the year except in summer. In summer season we won't get that much wind. Other times we are getting wind. The western cyclonic disturbances experienced in north and northwestern part, where we are facing the western cyclonic disturbances, that is in the North India as well as northwestern part of India, and are brought it by this westerly blow. In summer, the subtropical westerly jet streams moves north of Himalaya with apparent movement of the sun, and easterly jet streams called the subtropical easterly jet streams blows over the peninsular India approximately over 14 degree north during the summer months. We are getting the wind in Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. We are getting wind in summer season, that because of the subtropical easterly jet streams. Then western cyclonical disturbances. The western cyclonical disturbances are weather phenomena of the winter months brought by the westerly blow of the Mediterranean region, and they usually influence the weather of the north and northwestern region of India. What is the speciality of northwestern part? That is little bit dry climate like Rajasthan area. The tropical cyclone occurred during the monsoon as well as in the October and November. When we are getting the tropical cyclones, we are getting in a monsoon time, that is June to September, as well as we are calling it retreating monsoon time, that is October November, and are part of extremely easterly blow. And these disturbances affected the coastal region of the country. Eastern blows, it is affecting which area? It is affecting the coastal area. Okay, then normally we are getting the cyclones in Orissa, Andhra Pradesh area, and that is coming in January onwards, or in month of March, even in October, like that. Many years we heard like that, cyclone affecting Andhra, Orissa, like that. Okay, next part it is Indian monsoon, that we will continue next day. Thank you. Have a nice day.